How to change the reversing light bulb on the Volkswagen Golf. So for reference, the brake bulb is at the top, then the indicator bulb, the rear light, now the bottom outside is the fog light, and the bottom inside is the reverse light. Open the tailgate. So on both sides, the light can be accessed through a panel like this. So on the right hand side it's a bit smaller. Just turn it counterclockwise, that dial, and just pull out. So on the left hand side, the panel is quite a bit bigger, so this will make it a lot easier to film, so we'll use this side. So it's counterclockwise, and pull the panel back, and you can see the back of the light unit. So to get to the light unit, you've got to remove this panel here, so just on 2 tabs, and this is the bulb housing, so squeeze them together, and gently pull back from the light unit. So for the reversing light bulb, it's the inside of the car, so it's this bulb here. So get a cloth, don't touch the bulb itself. Push in, turn counterclockwise, remove, get your new bulb, bayonet bulb, push in, turn clockwise to fit, and it's in. When you're done, put the bulb housing on the back of the light unit, gently, not to damage the bulbs. Push all the way in until it clicks. And you're done.